Well, afternoon everybody. We are in Arizona, Nevada line, and as you see right here, that is the Colorado River, and that's the we're standing on the Arizona side, and across the street is the Nevada side. And if you can't guess, we are at the Hoover Dam, and we are at the Hoover Dam.
It's like a really big lock.
That's exactly what it is. That's what that spillway is over there. This is where you can see down the bottom all the water bubbling down there. It's where all the electricity is generated. And up top, there's actually a huge electrical center on the other side of where those are, and that is the wall of the Hoover Dam all the way down to there again. Again, the mighty Colorado doing its business. Science at its best, but God's creation.